Hello there! In this video lesson I want to present some common phrases you can use to welcome someone back. Let's say your friend or colleague has come back from a vacation or a business trip. It will be very nice and polite to say something pleasant to welcome them home. Just before we start, I would like to remind you that in my previous video lesson I prepared a number of phrases you can say to wish someone a good trip or a safe journey. The link is in the description below. Let's start. So, if a person you like is back from some kind of trip, you can say something like this. It will show you are happy to see them and wouldn't mind finding out some details about their journey. It's good to see you're back. It's good to see you're back. Good to have you back. Good to have you back. It's really nice to have you back. It's really nice to have you back. Great to have you back. Great to have you back. We're glad you're back. We're glad you're back. We missed you. We missed you. We missed you around here. We missed you around here. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, stranger. Welcome back, stranger. Long time no see. Long time no see. How was it? How was it? How did it go? How did it go? Did everything go okay? Did everything go okay? Did you have fun? Did you have fun? You have to tell me all about it. You have to tell me all about it. You have to tell us all about it. You have to tell us all about it. Did you take any pictures? Did you take any pictures? Do you have pictures? Do you have pictures? Did you bring me anything? Did you bring me anything? Were the locals friendly? Were the locals friendly? Were the natives friendly? Were the natives friendly? It just wasn't the same without you. It just wasn't the same without you. So, now you know what to say next time to your friend welcoming them back. All these phrases may be a perfect start of an amazing conversation or just small talk. You choose. Meanwhile, don't forget to write in the comments what other phrases I should prepare for you in my next lesson. Don't forget to come back from time to time and rewatch the video to memorize the vocabulary. If you like the video, please give me the thumbs up. I do appreciate it. And I will be waiting for you in my other lessons. See you very soon. Take care.